Cucumber KSP 1903. Competitor Czech variety is Belle here. Maniknalli village, Pandavpur Taluka, Mandya district. Look at see the fruit setting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each node is having fruits. Comparing to Belle, it is early variety.
ಮೊದಲನೇ ಬೆಡ್ ನೆಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮರ ಹೋಯ್ತದೆ.
1 2 3 4
5
5
6
6
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ
6
7 ಇನ್ನು ಓದಂಗೆ ಹೋಯ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೆ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.